Set within 3.1 miles of Tulum Archaeological Site and 0.7 miles of Tulum Bus Station, Central Park Resort and Spa Tulum offers rooms in Tulum. The property is located within 2.1 miles of Parque Nacional Tulum. The property comes with an year-round outdoor pool and is located 2.5 miles from bus station Tulum Ruins. At the hotel, every room comes with a wardrobe. Complete with a private bathroom fitted with a shower and free toiletries, the units at Central Park Resort and Spa Tulum have a flat-screen TV and air conditioning. And selected rooms are fitted with a seating area. The rooms will provide guests with an oven. At the accommodations you will find a restaurant open for lunch and dinner. Central Park Resort and Spa Tulum offers a terrace. Guests at the hotel will be able to enjoy activities in and around Tulum, like cycling. Seasiak is 5.6 miles from Central Park Resort and Spa Tulum, while Ziggy's is 3.1 miles away. The nearest airport is Cozumel International Airport, 41 miles from the property.